All right, number 5 says the table shows the distance that students on a track team walked during after-school practice. So now I'm going to scroll up just so I can see. Don't skip reading the stuff at the beginning of the problem. Sometimes that has information in it. The question says, what is the total distance the students walked during after-school practice? So what operation is this? Total means you're going to add. And yes, if you have to have that written to get any credit for corrections. Okay, total distance in miles the students walked. So we have to add all these up. But what do you see? I see decimals and I see fractions. So you can either turn all your decimals into fractions, or you can turn your fractions into decimals. How do you turn a fraction into a decimal? Right, you have to divide top and bottom out. But my fractions are 1/5 and 3/10. You should definitely have 3/10 memorized. You take a quiz over this every day. In fact, you just took a quiz over this. So what is 3/10 as a decimal? It's 0.3, right? And you have 1 and 3/10, so this needs to be 1.3. The other fraction you have is 1/5. Now, I have memorized that 1/5 is 0.2. If you don't, you're the lucky duck that gets to do an extra division problem. And if you got this one wrong, this division problem has to be on your paper. We're saying that 1/5 equals 0.2. So I have 2 and 1/5. That means I have 2.2. Now it's an easy problem. You're just going to add. I'm going to add, and you're going to add, and then I need you to check against mine to see if you made a mistake. And if you did, I need you to write the sentence telling me where your mistake was. So push pause and do your addition, and then come back and look at mine. Okay, I finished mine. Magic! I finished mine. You need to hit pause and finish yours. And you should come up with the same answer I do. If not, you have to go back and find your mistake. So push pause, and finish your addition. If you made a mistake, push pause again and find it. You forgot a carry or you did something funny. Now, here's my problem. If you're listening, you've already done the addition and you have the same answer as me. If not, hit pause. Here's my problem. My answer is 11.15. I know that that's not the same as 10, and I know that's not the same as 11 and a half, because 11 and 1/2 is 11.5. Do I know if it is the same as 11 and 3/20? I don't. Should I go ahead and circle not here, or should I check B? Okay, so here's the truth. I have only seen it not here like once on a CBA, and I've been in 7th grade for 6 years. One time was it not here. It is almost always here. So let's check 3/20 to see what it is as a decimal. That will tell you if the answer is B or D. All right, number 6. The perimeter of the shape below is 26 feet. Perimeter, what does that mean? Yeah, well, you're on your computer, so on your computer, you just Google the word perimeter. During your test, you just had to remember. In class, you can always use a dictionary, but you're really not supposed to on a test. Unless you use a bilingual dictionary, but that's only helpful if you know Spanish. And even then, I don't know how helpful it is. So if the perimeter is 26 feet, that means all these sides added together are 26 feet. So I see this is 4 1/2, this is 4.3. What is this side? Yeah, if this side is 4.3, so is this side. That's what these little marks mean. So let's do this. 4 1/2, change it to a decimal. I have 4.5 plus 4.3. Plus 4.3 plus another 4.5. Is 17 my answer? Oh, but it's there and it looks so good and I want to circle it because I'm so tired and I want to be done. But that's not the answer, so don't circle it. Please. Oh, wait, I made a mistake. Let me do this again. Is that better? And then 4.5. So I should have 17.6, right? Okay. Sorry. See? It's easy to make a mistake. I see it here, but that's not the answer. And after you do all this work, you like forget what you're doing. And you see it there and you're so excited to see it, you circle it. We have one more step. You need to subtract 26 minus 17.6. And then you'll have your answer. Don't forget to put a decimal point and a 0. Write a sentence telling me what you did wrong. You can fix it.